That place is so colorful and there is so much to see.
Hello and welcome back to the Tin Can Twosome. Come with us today as we take you to the Anaheim Packing District. If you're anything like us, you love to get out there and explore places and try new things. So this was the perfect place for us to go on a scorching hot day in late summer of 2024. It was 103 degrees outside, and we were just searching for something to do indoors in the air conditioning to keep us out of that heat. This place was just the trick. This restored citrus packing facility from 1919, called the Anaheim Packing House, is simply amazing.
Here we are for lunch at the Packing House in Anaheim. This is the old fruit packing area where they used to have all kinds of orchards around here. And now, of course, there's really no farming area. It's all residential, this area. And so a lot of these things have been converted into all kinds of fun buildings. And we've decided to have lunch here today.
In the heart of Anaheim, at 440 South Anaheim Avenue, this enormous building houses so many restaurants, breweries, pubs, you name it. There is an endless variety of things to enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe below. We received a warm welcome from these giant white chickens on our way in. As you can see, this place is huge. When I checked their website, I counted 25 restaurants, pubs, dessert shops, breweries. The variety is endless. And we picked a very special place to have lunch. So stick around and we'll show you where we ended up. So let me scroll through these restaurants and give you an idea of the variety here. There's everything from Cajun to Indian to a grilled cheese bar, a wine and spirits bar, fish and chips, Japanese dessert crepes, Mexican antojitos, soul food, craft cocktails, ice cream and frozen treats, French pastries and desserts, Syrian food, boba teas, cheese and charcuterie, gelato on a stick, a speakeasy and a gastropub, craft beer and bar, and comfort reinvented at the Packing House. To say that this place is colorful would be a major understatement. My senses were absolutely bombarded in there. After checking out all the restaurants on the top floor, we decided to go down and check out the ones there as well. It did not disappoint. This one restaurant had these beautiful lamps. A really good place to maybe take a photo or two. I think this little guy might have been bored. What do you think? I loved this variety of juices to enjoy. I was especially interested in this dragon fruit limeade. That sounds really good. And check out all these pizzas. This is definitely a place we have to come back to. Are you ready to find out what we chose? So after checking out all these different places, we decided on one, Adya, fresh Indian cuisine. The menu up on the wall is very manageable, and we selected something we have not had before, biryani. I can honestly say this was one of the most tasty, flavorful dishes I've ever eaten. We chose garlic naan to go with it. Now, does that not look incredible? Our plan was to have this dish and then another from a different restaurant and then maybe mosey on for some dessert. But the portions were so huge that we were literally done after this one dish. It was also loaded with chicken. You have to try this. It is so delicious. Think we liked it? Think we're done? It was too good to leave any of it behind. When you go to Adya, you won't regret it, and tell them the Tin Can Twosome says hi. Thanks so much for coming along with us. Let us know in the comments if you've ever been here or plan to go. We'll see you on our next adventure.